in this video I will show you how to merge playlists on Spotify Android. Firstly, I need to mention that there is no difference between working on Android and working on iPhone. It is the same process with the same simple steps. Firstly, when you get up right here into your application, you need to get up from here and you need to go to your browser, and then right over there you need to type for playlist manager. Go for playlistmanager.com, or simply you're gonna getting up to your site with this section. Right now I need to wait to get up here to the full point of this Spotify section. Right now I need firstly to connect with Spotify because it is an unsafe application which also needs to include your sessions on your profile. Go connect with your Spotify. When you got into that file, you need simply to get agree with that session, and you need to authorize that system site. And when you agree with that session, what you need to do next, simply need to playlist name or link. Now we're gonna get off from here. You're gonna get back to your playlist. When you get back to your playlist, you need to go to your library to take off a playlist section which is on your sites, and it doesn't matter on which site it is. Simply need to take it off the right one. For example, we'll go with this one. Go on the three dots and then go for share, copy the link, get off from here, get back, take the link on it. Simply go paste and then go next, and with this you're gonna simply getting off the full sides of this section.